What a wonderful world.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing a Nykaa haul. तो Nykaa का Pink Friday sale चल रहा है. By the way, this video is not sponsored. I bought everything myself. I keep adding stuff to my wish list और जब भी sales होते हैं तभी I place an order. And I've been using these products for a few days here and there, and I really like them, so I'm going to be sharing with you guys in today's video. Let's get started. Let's start with a primer. So I've been on the fence about using primers, using setting sprays for a while, and guess what? I've given in and they actually do work. Not all of them. This one definitely works. This is a silicone based primer. This is from Nykaa. This is called the Prep Me Up Face Primer. This is supposed to smoothen and perfect, and I actually have really large pores around my nose, and it really blurs them. Like I can see a difference for sure. So I will recommend this one. I actually have quite a lot of makeup, so makeup se shuru karte hain. So here I have the Faces Canada's 3-in-1 foundation, moisturizer and sunscreen. I actually have it on my face also. This is like the perfect shade for me, and it's so lightweight. Like I don't like the feeling of having like a layer on my face, and this feels like absolutely nothing. And I love that this has sunscreen also in it. It's like an all-in-one. You can also apply it with your hands. बहुत ही अच्छा product है ये. We have another illuminating priming drop situation. So this is from K Beauty. I love K Beauty. You guys know that. So I had to like purchase the product because ये नया launch है. इसका texture बहुत ही weird और slimy है. I will say that. It's just very weird, but then once you apply it, it looks very pretty and it's not sticky anymore. So you can use it as a primer underneath your foundation. You can wear it just on its own, or I like to put it on top for that like dewy, wet kind of look. It's a nice product. I've been obsessed with this blush. This is the Fit Me blush from Maybelline, and this is in the shade Passionate. It's a really pigmented pink mauve blush. It's a really pretty blush. Like it looks so nice. This is all that I've been wearing. So we have some eyeliners. I run out of eyeliners pretty quickly. So ये वाला first वाला जो है वो ELF से है, and I got a brown shade because I'm thinking I can draw on freckles with this one is what I'm thinking. Anyway, these ELF eyeliners are really good. I've used the black one quite a few times. I really like the formula, so I picked up the brown one as well. It has a really nice sharp felt tip. Then we have this eyeliner from K Beauty. Their eyeliners are amazing. They're so black. I love the brush that's on it as well. And it's quite smudge proof, I will say. Like once you apply it, you have to kind of rub it. Once it's set, of course, उसके बाद उसको हिलाना बहुत ही मुश्किल है, which I love. So it's a really good eyeliner. So basically, Nykaa has these sets. These are the Janhvi Kapoor Glam Squad sets. Last I checked, it was out of stock because it's so amazing. Just check the link in the description. In case it's available, I think you should go and grab it because this has 3 products. So this has their quad, which is really good. Like their eyeshadows in here are amazing. So there's a shimmery shade, and then there are 3 mattes. There's a lipstick that comes along with it. I love this matte lipstick formulation. It's really good. And then they have their Black Magic Kajal, which I used to use non-stop back in the day. But I personally just like to like switch it up. I don't like to use the same product. इसके लिए मैंने बीच में use करना बंद कर दिया. But it's a really good product, and I feel like if you're a beginner, these 3 products, you can make it work with these 3 products. Okay, so for lips, this is also kind of like a new launch. So this is the Maybelline's Superstay Vinyl Ink lipsticks, liquid lipsticks है ये, that are super long lasting, but they give you like a glossy look. Like the concept is really interesting. You're supposed to shake it for 15 seconds before applying it, and I love the color Wicked. It's one of the best reds that I've used. It's very similar to Ruby Woo from MAC. And the other shade that I really like is Lippy. It's a really good day-to-day basis wala shade. These are very long-lasting, but you need to wait for them to set. अगर वो set नहीं हुए तो they'll get everywhere. Once they set, you really have to rub hard to get them off. I never thought I would say this, but I'm into lip glosses. So basically, ये 2 lip glosses I've been really liking. This is from ELF. It's a plumping lip gloss which looks so pretty. It's a kind of like a transparent only lip gloss with a little bit of a pink peachy touch. It plumps your lips and it looks very pretty. And then this one is a little bit more out there. It's very iridescent. This is from Wet n Wild. It has like blue and purple specks. I haven't gotten a chance to wear this because you need to have that kind of look, you know, to be able to wear this one. But yeah, these are the two lip glosses that I got. And the final makeup product that I have is a setting spray. This is an existing one that I have. I've placed an order for another one. It hasn't reached me yet. But basically, this is the Max Fix Plus होली ग्रेल प्रोडक्ट. सब लोग इसके बारे में बात करते हैं बहुत सालों से, बट मैंने फॉर सम रीजन यूज नहीं किया बिकॉज आई डिडंट बिलीव इन द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ setting sprays, but clearly I've like used most of it, and I've used the mini one also completely, and this makes your makeup look so pretty. If you wear heavy makeup, it just like melts it into your skin. It doesn't look very heavy. It looks very pretty, and it's like it makes your makeup glowy. It just makes your makeup look really, really nice. Hair care के लिए मेरे पास दो products है. This is from L'Oreal. This is their Vitamino Color Smoothing Professional Shampoo. This is for colored hair. I just repurchased both of these because मेरे खत्म हो गए थे. This is what I've been using for my red colored hair, and it's been working out really well for me. Shampoo is amazing, really lathers well, cleanses your scalp, and then this mask which I use as a conditioner is amazing. My hair has been feeling like how it used to feel before. Like मुझे बिल्कुल भी damage है वो पता नहीं चल रहा है. I think this is the only skincare product that I've picked up. So this is from Dermalogica, and this is a daily micro exfoliant. I'm pretty sure this has rice powder in it. So how you can use this is you can put it a little bit in your hand. It's powder, okay? You can either mix it with a cleanser that you have, like a face wash. I personally like to mix it with a little bit of water and then rub it like all over my face. I do wear a lot of makeup. I have a lot of built up, and it just cleanses your skin. I saw this on Shorts. Someone from like the US was using it, and I was like, it's available on India, let me try it out. And it is actually really, really good. It's been going a little bit viral from what I've understood. Lives up to the hype. This is a roll-on I've been meaning to talk to you guys about for a while. ये मैंने अभी नहीं खरीदा है, मैंने काफी टाइम पहले खरीदा, लाइक एक महीने पहले. दिस इज फ्रॉम केमिस्ट एट प्ले, एंड दिस इज देयर अंडर आर्म रोल ऑन. दिस हैज 4% lactic acid and 1% mandelic acid. This is supposed to not only do the job of a roll on, like control odor, but it's also supposed to lighten your underarms. So I've always had like underarms that are like the same color as my skin, but recently I got my underarms waxed, and I don't know what went wrong, और एक patch रह गया जो जल गया था, and eventually it became darker. And I've been using this so that I can even out my skin tone, and it worked. Like my underarms are now the same color as the rest of my body. So yeah, try this product out. I think it really worked for me. We have to end the video with some perfumes. So the first perfume that I picked up is from Guess. I got this because बहुत ही अच्छे प्राइस में मुझे मिल रहा था, like for a luxury perfume. So this is called the Seductive Noir. I hope I'm saying it right. It just smells sexy. I mean, I think the name just says it all. Mansi had come the other day and she really, really liked it. The packaging is so cute. I think she gravitated towards it, and when she smelled it, she really liked it. It's a really nice nighttime fragrance. And the last product that we have is from Victoria's Secret. So मैंने बहुत बार बोल चुकी हूँ मैं कि Pure Seduction मेरा favorite variant है, बहुत ही अच्छा fragrance है उसका. I saw that there's a limited edition Pure Seduction in the Untamed version. And I was like, I have to try it. How can I not try it? So pick this up, and this, I will say, smells better than the original Pure Seduction. They've like really taken it to the next level. I don't know how. I didn't think it could get better, but it really got better. It got sweeter. It got, I don't know, it got fruitier, I guess. But it smells amazing. If you've never tried Pure Seduction, you have to try this one out. And I feel like Victoria's Secret always has some sort of like buy one get one thing going on during these sales. So check out the description in case you want to try this. And yeah, with that, I'm going to end today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. Obviously, all the products are going to be linked down below. And as I mentioned earlier, this video is not sponsored. I bought all of these products, and these are my recommendations for you guys. And having said all of that, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, follow Skion, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.